Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create a group on Snapchat. So what happens when you create a group in Snapchat is basically if you want to send snap to somebody, you don't have to click on their name like individually. If you create a group and post the snap over there, every single person on the group can see the snap, right? You don't have to send it individually. So it makes it easy to send any message or or snap to a group of people. So that's what it does. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you need to make a snap. So you can click a random photo. I'm going to click a random photo over here and click on send to. Once I click on send to, at the top over here you can see where it says like right beside search, you can see like a plus icon, right? At the top right, click on it. And over here at the top where it says name group, click on it and you can create yourself a name for the group. So I'm gonna give it random. Sorry for that spelling mistake. R-A-N-D-O-M, random. Once I create a group name, I can choose whom I want on this group. So I'm gonna choose Lauren Morgan, and I'm gonna choose Rich Kevin, and I'm gonna choose Badaloli. So these three are the people I want on my group, and I can click on create group and click on this button over here, and the snap has been sent and a group named random has been created as well, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can create a group on Snapchat. It's that simple. So hope you guys understand. And if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step everybody, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day and peace out.